Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna try a little something different today instead of just a regular standard riding and no talking. Today I'm gonna replace my stock turn signal with a halogen halo. I've already done one side just to make sure that I could do it. I can before I put this on video. So really all you need is a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. Now, I know what you're thinking. Your pliers might be nicer than mine, but they still do the same job. So over here, you can spin this. There's a little notch underneath here where you just pop this lens off with your screwdriver. And you take your pliers. Well, you don't need your pliers for this bulb because you can put your thumb on it. So it comes in a static sensitive bag, which you want to keep like shock. It prevents shock, so you want to keep anything shock away from it. I don't necessarily think like putting your fingers on it is going to hurt it, like the oils. I don't believe that at all because it is LED. So this is where you would need the pliers, because it's just got a little place where you can put your finger. It's really not enough to get it back in there. Make sure it snaps in there. And then you get your lens. And you smoke the lens out of the bag. Sometimes it's got a little extra wire, so you might need to twist it up a little bit. You just squeeze that cap back on, make sure it's flush. It should be ready to go. So that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. Turn the flashers on so we can see what they look like. So the whole reason I did this is because I don't know what happened to my lens, but it oxidized or something. There's stuff all over it. Like, it'll scrape off, but I'm not gonna sit there and take forever to scrape it off. And plus it's already missing one of the prongs. And literally for like 20 extra bucks, I got this whole system. Some people don't like the halos. I didn't really care. I kind of liked them. Also, a lot of people ask me, why don't I ever show the bike instead of just showing the ride? I got dogs running around, of course. But so the bike itself is a 2011 Dyna Wide Glide. I picked it up in 2014. It had 4,210 miles on it. Now it has 33,333 actual miles right there. So I've been a lot of places with it. Me and a buddy of mine rode to Florida and back. On separate bikes, of course. I was on mine, he was on his. And that's just about it for today. A little short one. Hope you enjoyed it.